In this module, you will study about energy resources, learning objectives, sources of energy, energy from sun, efficiency of energy resources, energy resources. The raw materials for energy production are energy sources. These may be non-renewable or renewable. Apart from nuclear, geothermal, hydroelectric or tidal energy, the sun is the source for all our energy resources. There are two types of energy sources: non-renewable energy sources and renewable energy sources. Non-renewable energy sources include fossil fuels, nuclear fuel, etc. Renewable energy sources include solar energy, wind energy, wave energy, tidal energy, hydroelectric energy, geothermal energy, biomass energy, etc. Fossil fuels. These include coal, oil, and natural gas formed from the remains of plants and animals which lived millions of years ago and obtained energy originally from the sun. Nuclear fuels. The energy released in a nuclear reactor from uranium found as one ore in the ground can be used to produce electricity. Nuclear fuels do not pollute the atmosphere with carbon dioxide or sulfur dioxide, but they do generate radioactive waste materials with very long half-lives. As long as a reactor is operating normally, it does not pose a radiation risk. But if an accident occurs, dangerous radioactive materials can leak from the reactor and spread over a large area. Solar energy. The energy falling on the earth from the sun is mostly in the form of light and heat. Solar panels are used to produce electricity from solar energy. Heat energy from the sun is used in solar cookers and solar water heaters. Wind energy. In wind energy, giant windmills called wind turbines with 2 or 3 blades each up to 30 meters long drive electrical generators. Wave energy. In wave energy, the rise and fall of seawater has to be transferred by some kind of wave energy converter into the rotatory motion required to drive a generator. Tidal energy. In tidal energy, the flow of water from a higher to a lower level from behind a tidal barrier or the dam of a hydroelectric scheme is used to drive a water turbine connected to a generator. Hydroelectric energy. In hydroelectric energy, the potential energy of water stored in the reservoir is used to generate electricity. Water is allowed to pass through a pipe, and the kinetic energy of this water is used to rotate turbines, which generate electricity in generator. With good management, hydroelectric energy is a reliable energy source, but there are risks connected with the construction of dams, and a variety of problems may result from the impact of a dam on the environment. Land previously used for forestry or farming may have to be flooded. Geothermal energy. If cold water is pumped down a shaft into hot rocks below the Earth's surface, it may be forced up another shaft as steam. This can be used to drive a turbine and generate electricity or to heat buildings. The energy that heats the rocks is constantly being released by radioactive elements deep in the earth as they decay. Biomass or vegetable fuels. These include cultivated crops, crop residues, natural vegetation, trees, animal dung, and sewage. Before selecting a natural source as energy resources, we have to consider several factors. One among them is efficiency. Efficiency is the useful energy output divided by total energy input. The percentage efficiency is given by useful energy output divided by total energy input into 100. Thank you.